everyone, and welcome back to Babies, Bills, and Beauty. My name is Ray. If this is your first time here, welcome. In today's Tidy Up Tuesday, we're cleaning up the kitchen. That's right, we're doing the kitchen again. But this video is a little bit different. It was a vlog that I recorded, and I split it in half because it was just too long to upload for a Tidy Up Tuesday. So in a few days from now, you'll see the rest of the video. So that way, when you do see that one, you won't be confused. Like, wait, didn't we just see this one? No, it was actually like an all-day thing I did. And I took the cleaning section off of it to use it for Tidy Up Tuesday. So I'm just, hoping I can give you guys some cleaning motivation. This is my real life. The kitchen is our hot spot area. We're always in the kitchen. I mean, we gravitate towards that kitchen. So there's nothing I can really do about that. So I just want to show you how my everyday life is when I'm cleaning. And anyway, like I'm saying, in a few days you'll see the vlog, so it'll make more sense once you see that part. But I'm just doing the kitchen. I am cleaning all the dishes. I'm putting the dishes away. I'm cleaning the stove. I'm cleaning my refrigerator. I'm cleaning off the dishwasher. I'm going to vacuum. I'm going to mop, but I'm using my Swiffer and I'm using some squirting mop because at the time of this video, the handles that I ordered for my cedar mop hadn't showed up yet. And that's pretty much it for this video. I'm just basically giving the kitchen a really good cleaning, and I hope I motivate you guys to get up and do the same for your kitchen. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking now so you can just enjoy the music, have me in the background while you go ahead and maybe do a load of your dishes, put some clothes in the laundry. I'm not sure what you have planned for today for your cleaning, but just put me on in the background. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it here, and I'll check back in towards the end of the video.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. nothing more to say. Let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a...
If you enjoyed today's Tidy Up Tuesday, don't forget to leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I will be truly honored if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. As always, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.